Vinyl plays a critical role in the effectiveness of ESD, electrostatic discharge, tiles by providing a durable and stable surface that helps manage static electricity. ESD vinyl tiles are meticulously designed with conductive or dissipative characteristics, enabling them to redirect electrostatic charges away from sensitive equipment and components. The vinyl material is formulated with conductive fillers or compounds, such as carbon or metal particles, which give the static flooring to control static. For example, carbon fillers have a structure that allows electrons to move through them. When a static charge builds up on the surface of the flooring, the electrons can travel through the network of conductive fillers. The conductive fillers act like a pathway for the electrons to flow, similar to how wires conduct electricity in an electrical circuit. This ensures that static electricity is not allowed to accumulate, preventing the risk of electrostatic discharge that could damage electronic devices. This makes it a vital component in areas like electronics assembly lines, testing stations, clean rooms, and data centers, where precision and safety are paramount. In addition to static control, vinyl is highly durable, resistant to chemicals, and easy to maintain, making it an ideal choice for environments like electronics manufacturing, clean rooms, and data centers.